Alright, how you doing? This is a real quick lesson on a basic 12-bar blues. And the reason you need to learn this as a guitarist is because it's awesome and it's a good finger exercise and it's the foundation of so much music that you listen to, even if you don't know that's what you're listening to. So, let's do it. The first pair of notes, you're playing two strings at the same time. So you're going to put your first finger on the second fret and the D string, but you're going to play the A and the D string together, and just those two notes. This is the hard bit for the right or the plucking hand. Just those notes. Don't hit everything. Don't just hit one of them. It's got to be the pair because it gives you this little sort of mini chord. Okay, and you're going to keep that finger down all the way through this top line, and you're going to do 2 beats of that, and then you're going to stretch your third finger up to fret 4. And here's the secret: don't take that first finger off. Keep that anchored down whilst you hit that 4th fret. Again, it's the pair of strings, and then off again. Okay, so that's bar 1. And you repeat that 4 times before you have to change to anything else. And when you get fast, it will sound like this. Okay, you've heard that in a lot of music, and it's really good exercise, on and off, always keeping your first finger down. Now, once you get the hang of that, you have basically cracked it. That's the hardest thing to do. The next part, all you're doing is essentially the same thing, but now everything moves down a string. So your first finger now comes off and it goes down to the second fret on the G string, and you're plucking the D and the G together. Do that for 2 bars. And then back to this, so you're holding down the second fret on D and strumming the A string at the same time. 2 bars. And then you're doing the same thing, but this time we're coming up. So your second finger now goes to the A string, second fret, and you're plucking the low E and the A strings together. 2 bars. And then you finish off back where you started for 2 bars. This is what the whole thing would sound like put together fairly slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Now we change. Change again. Change again. Change one more time. Like I say, it's all about keeping the pairs of strings ringing, not getting too many strings, not getting too few strings, and keeping this sort of on and off motion going with your third finger whilst keeping the first finger down all the time. And when you get fast, it'll be like this. And so on and so on. Learn it. It is worth it.